we'll guide you through how to get a discount on ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ChatGPT website using your desktop browser. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account if you're not already signed in. Look for the account or profile icon, usually located at the lower right corner of the page, and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Upgrade. This will take you to a page where you can see the current pricing options available. Sometimes ChatGPT offers promotional discounts or special deals for new subscribers, or during certain events like Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Look for any banners or notifications on this page that mention current discounts. If you see one, click on it to learn more about the offer. You might find a code that you can use during checkout to apply the discount. If there's a promotional code, make sure to enter it in the designated field when you're subscribing. Don't forget to double check your total to ensure the discount has been applied before you finalize the purchase. If there are no visible discounts, you can also subscribe to the newsletter or follow their official social media channels to stay updated on future promotional offers. These channels often announce limited time discounts and exclusive deals. By keeping an eye on these updates, you can take advantage of any upcoming sales. That's it. Now you know how to potentially save some money on your ChatGPT subscription. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.